We've got employees who've been here for 35 years. That tribal knowledge that they have, that industry knowledge, goes a long way on the way we process things, the way we can incorporate ingenuity in new designs and development.
From a product standpoint, we listen to our customers and we try to add parts to the catalog that they want.
We've just grown our catalog and our non-catalog items just by leaps and bounds, mainly from just plastic a number of years ago now to like metal and injection molding and extruding. So it's been quite a change, and it's exciting to see, and we're always trying to get into new markets as well.
So a lot of retailers are coming to us with all of these different types of challenges. How are we going to hang this? How are we going to attach this clip? How are we going to actually get this to function in the right manner?
So if our customer comes to us with a problem, we try to come up with a solution.
Having that engineering lab in play in our own facility, I think has been a huge support system for our customers and for new customers, because it gives them the ability to make those decisions immediately with a workable part that they can prove actually is going to work in the field.
Being innovative and all of that is extremely important, and that's what the engineering team is good at.
Fulfillment's been huge for us, and I think that's an area that customers really don't know that we actually are heavily involved in. But a lot of people have been challenging us over the years of having the graphics come into our facility and let us package a lot of the hardware components or the kits together to be able to do the distro out to all these different retail stores. So that's been something that's been growing in leaps and bounds, and that's where we've invested heavily too, with a lot of the packaging equipment to be more efficient, to try to drive down the cost, to make it easier to be able to do those types of add-ons that we call them.